Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to count an average over a data on a Google Sheets application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Sheets and find out the data that we want to calculate, and you can just go into the documents, or if you have no documents yet, you can also start the new documents. So today I already preparing for today's tutorial. So yeah, I want to count or calculate the average or of all of this quantity. So that this we have to do, we just need to decide the cells that we want to the value appear in. For example, this, and after that you just need to go type the formula by click this pencil buttons, and after that every formula will be start with the equal symbols. And after that, since we want to calculate the average, you just need to type a average, and then will be appear here. You just need to click the average, and now we just need to entering the value. So let's go back into the table, and now you just need to drag all of the cells that consist the value that you want to count to average it. Okay, so I already block all of the cells that I want to calculate, and after you're done, you just need to go click this done button, and now you already have the average over all of the quantity. So in a month, approximately in a day, you sell 183 cups. Okay, so that's all the way how to do average in a Google Sheets application. So if you find that this tutorial is really guide you so well, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.